What is up guys, it's me SS from Roljion. Now that OnePlus has become premium smartphone brand in India, OnePlus used to provide 2 smartphones in year, but in 2019 OnePlus has launched 4 smartphones. All OnePlus smartphones are flagship. OnePlus is trying to compete with Samsung as well as Apple. It's right, OnePlus is pretty good brand, but I don't think it will be able to compete with Samsung as well as Apple. They are one of the biggest brand. As for mid-range smartphone brands are concerned, Xiaomi and Realme are the king in India. Xiaomi and Realme provide better smartphones in less price, but it seems that OnePlus is also trying to enter into mid-range segment in order to compete with Xiaomi as well as Realme. According to strong renders, OnePlus could launch OnePlus 8 Lite in 2020. OnePlus 8 Lite is gonna be lighter version of OnePlus 8. OnePlus 8 Lite is about to be mid-range smartphone. So could it launch under $282? This is the OnePlus. I don't think it could launch at this price. OnePlus 8 Lite could launch at the price of around $350. OnePlus will be utterly convinced about its sale. If OnePlus does enter into budget segment, it can easily compete with Realme and Xiaomi. There is no suspect OnePlus is much better than Xiaomi and Realme. OnePlus smartphone brand is much better in terms of providing update every now and then. Before looking at the specification, I wanna say something. Nothing is official regarding the OnePlus 8 Lite. Everything is the render. OnePlus has already confirmed that all OnePlus smartphones will have 90Hz refresh rate display or more than that. It means OnePlus won't be using 60Hz or stuff like that in the mid-range smartphones as well. According to my expectation, OnePlus 8 Lite could have FHD plus Super AMOLED display with 90Hz. There couldn't be any kind of notch and pop-up mechanism. In the mid there could be a tiny punch hole module for the selfie camera, which is gonna look magnificent. Now that OnePlus 8 Lite is gonna have a Super AMOLED display, strong chances are it could have in-display fingerprint sensor. According to the renders, it is supposed to come with dual camera setup on the back side. The primary camera could be 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, and the secondary camera could be depth and wide angle sensor. There is no confirmation about processor, battery charging capability and protection. Do a comment below, would you guys like to buy OnePlus 8 Lite if it lands around $350? By the way, a great thank you for watching the video. In order to get more tech videos, consider subscribing to Roljion. I will see you in the next one, and now I wanna wind up the video.